Hi and welcome back to my channel. You will often hear the words coin and token thrown around in crypto, and they are often used interchangeably in the world of cryptocurrencies, but they are actually not the same thing. So in today's video, I'm going to explain what's the difference between a crypto coin and a crypto token. If you enjoy this video, then I'd really appreciate an early thumbs up, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so that my content can reach more people. Also, please subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos, as I upload new content every week on personal finance, investing, and how to reach financial freedom. So let's start with a coin. A coin is a cryptocurrency that is built on its own blockchain. A coin is classified as a cryptocurrency that can store and transfer value, so basically serves the same purpose as the coins in your pocket or in a bank. Cryptocurrency coins operate independently of any other platform. So for example, you wouldn't send Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain. So a coin exists as a unit of value on its own independent ledger. Popular examples of cryptocurrency coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, and Ripple. So then, what is a token? A token is a cryptocurrency that does not have its own blockchain and requires another coin's blockchain as the infrastructure. For example, the Ethereum platform to exist and operate. A token can be a digital representation of an asset. In many cases, tokens are created to encourage user interaction and innovation within a network's community. Blockchain tokens can be given out as a form of reward for partaking in an activity within a blockchain platform. Popular examples of cryptocurrency tokens are Tether, Uniswap, and Chainlink. A lot of cryptocurrency tokens are designed to power decentralized applications, or what's shortened to the name dApps, on the Ethereum blockchain. These cryptocurrency tokens act as gatekeepers for dApps, such as games or on-demand services powered by the Ethereum platform on their shared blockchain. But it's worth noting that it's not just the Ethereum network that is used for tokens. They can be built on other platforms such as NXT and Omni, to name a couple. It's worth noting that not all cryptocurrency coins permit tokens to be built on top of them, but it is a factor that can sometimes increase the value of a coin. To confuse matters, tokens don't have to be exclusive to one coin, and therefore can be on multiple blockchains. If a token does well, then the developers can actually migrate from a token to a coin. And BNB or Binance Coin is an example of this. This actually started out as a token on the Ethereum network, but became so successful they created their own blockchain, and to confuse matters even further, now tokens can even be built on BNB. If by chance you hold a token that decides to migrate to a coin, annoyingly you can't automatically convert the token into a coin, and instead you need to create a bridge that swaps the token for a coin. But if this does happen, there will be shed loads of tutorials that should help you through this process. If you want to tell what's a coin or what's a token, then CoinMarketCap is your friend. You can either go to CoinMarketCap and search by the coin name. So if I put in Bitcoin here, and it will say at the top here what it is, so that says it's a coin. And if I was to search for USDT, you'll see here that it says it's a token. Or if you want to see a list of all the coins and all the tokens, you can go to one of the following links, and I'll put the links to both of these in the description below. So here is a list of all the coins, and on this one, here is a list of all the tokens. And from here you can see which platform the token is actually built on. So you can see here that Tether is built on the Ethereum platform. Now, while anyone can make both a cryptocurrency coin or a cryptocurrency token, creating a token is a lot easier, and it's worth noting that a lot of ICOs are tokens. So if this has inspired you to want to invest in some crypto, then why not do it on one of my brokers of choice, which are eToro and Coinbase. I've got a video explaining how to do that, which I'll put a link to up here and in the description below, along with an affiliate link if you just fancy going straight for it. If you found this video helpful in any way, then please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. Which cryptos do you hold, and which crypto do you think will go to the moon next? Do you personally only hold coins, or a mix of both coins and tokens? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to know, and I read all your comments. Also, if you want to learn more about how eToro works, or more about personal finance or investing, I have numerous videos on my channel, so I recommend you go check them out, and please subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future updates. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.